Ever felt like your WordPress categories would work better as tags or vice versa? Whether you're cleaning up your site's structure or improving SEO, there's a simple built-in way to convert categories to tags in just a few clicks. Let's get right into it. First, log into your WordPress administrator dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover over Tools, then click on Import. Here, you'll find a list of import options. Scroll down until you see Categories and Tags Converter. If you haven't used this tool before, click on Install Now. WordPress will quickly install the importer for you. Once it's done, the same option will change to Run Importer. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll see a simple screen with two tabs, one for categories to tags and another for tags to categories. Make sure categories to tags is selected. Next, you'll see a list of all your categories. Just check the boxes next to the ones you'd like to turn into tags. When you're ready, click Convert Categories, and that's it. WordPress will automatically handle the conversion for you. All your selected categories will now appear under your tag section, keeping your post organized and your taxonomy clean. It's a quick, no plugin method that saves time and helps keep your content strategy flexible as your site grows. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like and stay tuned for more WordPress tips that make managing your website simpler and smarter.